Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Heavy-duty rain and some thunderstorm activity working across the area right now. Definitely some poor drainage flooding probably taking place in spots, some ponding of water in the low spots on the area roadways. This is a look at the north side of the city and extending out toward Williamsville. And you can see this really heavy rain now scooting through the north side, the Delaware District, down through Delaware Park. If you're going to be traveling within the short term here on the Scojaquada and, for that matter, even Kensington and also Main Street, going to be very wet. This heavier rain is pushing off to the east here into the village of Williamsville and portions of Amherst further off to the east, and eventually will end up in Clarence. This is just producing a very soaking rainfall across the area. Actually, we're going to pull this back up for you here and take a broader look at the region, and we are looking at basically some rain shower activity moving into the area from out of the west this morning. This is going to continue a bit longer, but further back to the west, actually across southern sections of Michigan and out over Lake Erie, the activity becomes much more spotty. So I think the more widespread rain is going to work through here this morning, and then we'll be dealing with more scattered type stuff getting into the midday and the afternoon. Checking out your wake-up forecast today, no doubt about it. It is going to be a soggy commute early this morning. 8 a.m. temp, 72 degrees, rain showers and thunderstorms likely, some producing some heavy downpours at noontime. Still a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, 78, but I think as we get into the midday and the afternoon hours here, lunchtime and for the afternoon, a little bit of sun's going to start to break out, and that's going to send the temperature easily into the mid-80s. There's still going to be a chance of a shower or thunderstorm, probably a little bit more likely north and south of the city later this afternoon. Quick shot of the intersection of Hurdle and Niagara. It is coming down at that location right now over on the west side, and heading up to the university campus. Well, first off, Batavia here and Ellicott Street, and it looks pretty wet in that direction as well to begin the day out in Genesee County. As we take a look at the super microcast for today, rain showers and thunderstorms working across the area this morning, becoming a little bit more scattered getting into the afternoon, and probably a little bit more likely north and south of the city. We'll get some sun in the mix too. Very humid today with oppressive humidity conditions on tap. Mainly rain free for tonight. The showers and storms diminish, and it looks like a fairly tranquil start to the day on Saturday, but as we work through the day, another round of showers and storms will fire up a little bit more likely north and to the south and southeast of the city, because we're going to have a lake breeze probably protecting the city and some of the surrounding suburbs. Then this winds down as we get into Sunday. Roadways definitely on the wet side, north and southeast and west out there this morning. Also the I-86, 66 right now here in Buffalo. Your forecast details, mostly cloudy, becoming windy today. Showers and storms likely, very humid, a high between 80 to 85. Overnight, chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but much less likely. Very warm and very humid, 68 to 74. Tomorrow, more showers and storms develop, more likely north and south of the city. The highs 80 to 86. And on Sunday, after an early shower, becoming partly to mostly sunny. A pretty nice finish to the weekend here for the midday and afternoon hours on Sunday. We're back into the low 80s early next week, and temperatures responding to that sunshine.